even with Moira and Kyla, nagkaroon din kami ng time na parang, ano ba itong mga anak ko? Tinatanong ko lang naman kung saan sila pupunta. Not because I'm going there or I will stop them, but because I'm a parent, I need to know where you are. I don't care where you are. I just want to know where you are.
That's a mother.
Diba?
Yeah.
Yun lang naman. Tapos yung nagda-disagreements na kami or naiinis na ako kasi hindi sila naglilinis ng kwarto. Naiinis na ako kasi yung peanut butter, hindi nila masara yung takip maigi. Or yung ilaw sa kwarto nila, lahat bukas. So, when they said that they were going to move out, initially parang, okay, malulungkot na ako, mamimiss ko sila. I'm used to hovering. I'm used to hearing their laughter in the morning, or I'm used to seeing them exercise.
Ano yung what's funny? Nasanay ka na rin mainis dahil nakabukas ang ilaw. Nasanay ka na rin dahil peanut butter nakabukas.
So, sanay na ako. So, okay, I think I'm going to be sad. But you know what? I realized after, I'm not as sad as I thought I would be.
You're chill, sabi mo nga.